Hey Madison, this is Rob again from Reliable Renovations. This project is a bathroom master bath on the second floor. The blue tapes and signs are for lead-based paint and the lead safe program, something that we're required to do in all houses built before 1978. Plastic on the floor, plastic wall to protect the rest of the bedroom from dust. Windows covered, etc. We do a lot to contain dust and mitigate dust with a HEPA vacuum, which is 99.97% effective. And this is a in-room filter unit. Keeps dust down while I'm working. That makes me happy. You always want a happy contractor in your house, believe me. We use a tack pad to contain dust from our shoes. We use runners and tarps to protect the floors. Cardboard protects the floor that we're going to save. We're tearing these floors out. Here are the drawings for the new bathroom. As you can see, toilet, vanity, and shower, as well as a master bedroom closet. So this is where the two existing bedroom closets are now. And then this area here where the shower is currently a linen closet. And Nina puts these plans together for us. We have to calculate the bedroom square footages and verify that the minimum natural light is okay using the two existing windows that are going to remain in the bedroom. So we're required to do that as part of the code. Okay, finally getting some real work done here. These are my three favorite tools for doing that work. It's a Sawzall, a crowbar, and a 10-pound sledgehammer. We're also smashing into the linen closet. This is where the shower is going to go. Now the space is really opened up. The closet walls are gone. And we've had our first and hopefully only surprise in the project. So we think this is the old stove vent, but fortunately it doesn't serve any current function, so we can just take it out and remove it, and it won't be in our way. Okay, we've done a lot more demolition work here. Removed the hardwood floors, all the walls are gone, and we've removed the wall that with the old bedroom door and the linen closet. And we've created a new doorway into the bedroom. With the floor pulled back, now we can really see how the joists are laid out and what's going on underneath. I think we can probably get the drain pipe for the toilet, which is going to start here, to travel along the side of this joist and then go down into through the ceiling, this point here, next to this ductwork. I realize this is a little disorienting, but this is the kitchen, which is underneath the new master bathroom area. There's the cabinet above the refrigerator. I pulled the refrigerator out, and behind the refrigerator, and if I tilt the camera up and look up into the ceiling, you can see that there's an empty cavity back here that I think we can use to drop the drain pipe out of the ceiling here and go into this wall here. Behind this wall is a pantry. Here's the pantry closet on the other side of the refrigerator. It's like magic. All of the piping's installed for the vanity, the toilet, copper stub up for the toilet valve. The toilet drains down through the ceiling right behind the cabinet and over the refrigerator like we planned. All of the penetrations through to between floors are foam sealed. And we got this one galvanized vent pipe out of the way so that we could install the drain for the shower. And the plumbing fits in the pantry closet just like we planned. And the drain pipe in the basement also fits perfectly. All the electrical wiring is run as well. We have a vanity outlet, a vanity light, an additional light that the homeowner requested, an outlet for a floating shelf for a rechargeable toothbrush or shaver. Over here we have the switches for the shower, the bath fan. Also here is the box for the thermostat. And the electrician has a pretty ingenious way of getting wiring up from the floor. We're going to have in-floor heating under the tile. That's electric radiant heat, and we're going to have to pull a wire for a thermocouple that has to be installed in the floor to measure the heat of the floor. And what he'll do is he'll use this wire here, this string, he'll tie the wire to it, and he'll pull the string, pull the wire up through his wire connectors and up into the thermostat box. And the blue Smurf tube is for the actual electrical wiring to run the heat. Pretty genius. We also did some adjustments with the existing wiring. We had to put a junction box inside the closet, but we faced it into the closet so no one sees it. And put in the new the new switch for the overhead light in the bedroom. As we install new drywall, it's not always as easy as it looks. Sometimes the old walls are wavy from top to bottom, or they're not plumb or level. And we have to match the drywall to the old wall surface. We solved that problem by adding shims of different thicknesses between the studs and the drywall. Well, sometimes this stud will be 1/4 of an inch, this stud will be 3/16 of an inch, and this stud will be 1/8 of an inch. You can really see that here on this side wall of the shower, where the stud wall bows a little bit at the bottom. And so we add one shim here, the 1/16 of an inch, 2 shims, which is 1/8 of an inch, 3 shims at 3/16, and then a 1/4 inch wood shim at the bottom, so that the wall is completely plumb. It's getting really exciting now because all the drywall is up and we're starting to tape and spackle the seams. It's a little bit disorganized in here and a little bit dusty, but we're going to vacuum that up today, get it all cleaned up. But I wanted you to see what it really looks like mid-project. We have a nice wide, 4-foot wide closet, the entrance to the bathroom, the shower area, all the drywall joints and seams are taped and sealed and smoothed out and ready for paint now. The homeowner's elected to do the painting, which is fine by me. I think it's great that he wants to contribute. He's going to do that this weekend, so we have everything set up and ready to start tiling Monday morning. This is our tile saw, and it's a wet saw. So we set up these temporary plastic walls. The saw really doesn't splatter that much, it's just a precaution. You know me, I like to keep it clean. Drywall in the doorways and the closet, and the heat mat's installed now with a cement thin set. This is a new heat electric in-floor heat mat, and it has a 120 volt supply line that's led into the floor. The inspector will be here to approve that today, and then we will be ready to tile on Monday. The black wire is the heat probe, and that's set into the floor, and that's going to help regulate the heat. And be attached to the thermostat in this box on the wall. This is the shower area now with the backer board or underlayment installed and all of its joints taped and sealed with thin set adhesive, the same adhesive we're going to use to set the tile. Moving right along, the homeowner painted this weekend. He chose gray with white and chrome accents. Nice large rectangular tiles in the shower. In the shower niche, it's a recessed shampoo and soap area. We helped him select chrome, and this is an edge profile that comes in different colors. It's just anodized aluminum. You can see here on the edge it's gray. It's faster, cheaper, sleeker, smoother, easier to clean.